GOOFIT Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner delivers outstanding power and performance, which can be an ideal helper for vacuuming small debris quickly and conveniently, such as food debris, paper scraps, cigarette ash, as well as pet hair. Thoroughly clean table, closet, drawers, and every corner around your home. Easily clean a dust container. Rotate it to open in the direction of the arrow. Take the washable filter out. Pull out dust debris. The filter should be cleaned up every time after use to make sure it can work normally next time. GOOFIT Vacuum Cleaner efficiently simplify your housework. Great for household cleaning. Please follow us on Facebook, subscribe our YouTube channel, and feel free to contact us.